Alright guys, hope everybody's good, because I'm good, so I hope you're good and everybody's good. So we're back here today, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing HID lights on Abu Assad, the ricer. And HID lights, as you know, they're going to be very powerful, so hopefully at nighttime Abu Assad is going to be shining very good. Made it here with my friend Kelson. This guy's the master mechanic. He's building his own ricer from ground up, not unlike me just doing mods. So he's going to be helping me do a lot of stuff today. Alright, so we're actually going to be changing the fog lights for this video to HID. And in order to do that, we need to remove the bumper. And first step is to get these little clamps open all around the hood. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're opening up the clamps. This clamp, there are two parts to it, so you gotta be very gentle. You wanna open the sides and then slowly push it out and then put it underneath and try to pull it. There you go. And then we just make our way to the next one. Alright guys, so now we've taken all the clamps out here. So what we want to do is we want to take this piece out. And taking this piece out, there's some clamps from the back that we already opened. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece out slowly. And that's one. And then the emblem on the front, we're just going to take out like that. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna pull it off. Everything should be open, and slowly we're gonna start pulling it out because there's still some things that are keeping it intact, but it should be pretty much good from there. Looking at these, play around with them a little bit and pull it out. The bumper is loose from this side. Now we want to be making our way to the other side. We'll be doing the same thing. Alright guys, so due to the Canadian weather, we had to pull the car into the garage because we're going to be hit with a severe thunderstorm. Not good. So I'll tell you where we're at right now. So we pulled the car into the garage, the bumper's fully off. And the fog lights, they've been disconnected. Alright guys, so what we did was basically we did a test run. We connected everything. We took the light, it's a direct plug-in. We put it in, and as you can see, that's where it's plugged in. On the other side, it's being plugged into our old plug for the car, where it used to be originally. And then we have all of our lines for the kit on the bottom down there. So we got our fog light, turns on, warms up. Everything's good. No blinking, so that's a good sign. And the color is good. Everything is put in, the light has been put in. It's pretty self-explanatory because the kit comes and you can't make many mistakes connecting it. So we have the light put in, and the second part is the light is connected to the original part of the car, which is over there where the car came from. And then now, yes, that is where it is. And then we also have the kit around. What we decided to do is to install the kit on the corner of the car, and the reason being is that's where it's going to fit right around. What we're going to do is we're going to take 3M tape, and with that position we're going to tape it onto the car. Same thing on the other side. Now we've just taped everything up for security. As you can see, there's the HID bulb blast on the left, and we also taped the light for security just to make sure that it doesn't pop out even though it goes right into place. Alright guys, literally we've made it to the hardest part. Now we gotta put the bumper back up. So everything, we did up until now on one side, and now just putting this bumper back up is gonna be a huge problem. So see you after the bumper's back up. Alright, now the bumper's put back on. So the top we need to put in the grill, and on top of the grill. So the grill we need to put that on top of the grill like that. Alright guys, so we're all done with the install. Now for the finished product, we're going to turn on the lights, see how they are. A lot more brighter than what it used to be. Alright guys, so if you did like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Again, we're doing something new every day, so we'll be happy to see you in the next video.